Hey YouTube, you can already guess what this is. Another unboxing for some RC parts that I ordered from eBay. So let's get right to it. Got my trusty opener here. Get it from both sides. And the top. Right off the bat, this is for my /4 rifle and not my other two RCs that I have. So I have not opened this package. Most of my packages I do open, but let's go. And you can tell right off the bat what these are. Okay, so let's get a closer look. These are awesome. These are some wheels for my Slash. Nice and brand new. I ordered these because my trenchers, I don't want to mess them up. I'll give you a little story here. When I went to the store to buy my trenchers for the Slash, they only had the one set of hard compound and one set of the soft. So I unfortunately had to get the hard and the soft. The hard I put in the rear and the soft in the front. So unfortunately I don't want to mess those up, so I am going to be using these as well. I'm going to Las Vegas, Nevada this upcoming Thanksgiving weekend, so I'm gonna take these instead of my trenchers. Here they are on eBay. You can see the price here and the seller. Okay, so pretty quick, my bad, shipping time. So I bought them on the 16th. It is the 19th right there, and they're already here, so that's cool. Like I said, I'm going to Vegas, so all my RCs are packed up. Here's a rustler. Those are the wheels we're gonna take. We have extras for those, so we might take the extras. In the bubble wrap here is my Onyx charger, then the remotes, TQI, and here are those trenchers, nice and dirty, because I actually use my RCs. So I'm gonna replace it with these. These are pretty cool. I like these a lot. They look nice, even though people say they don't work. I have to see that for myself. I actually bought them for the main reason that people say they don't work, and that is because they slide a lot. And to me that's fun. My Stampede was like that. It slid a lot on the stock wheels, so that's kind of what I'm looking for here. And maybe I'll make more run videos, lots more, and I'll review these hopefully, or the trenchers. Since these are the stock, I can have something to look back to, since I did convert it from a Stampede. I just want to say first off that these are the S1 compound, so these are the softer compound, believe it or not. There is a much harder compound than these, so that's nice. They're actually not that bad. So this is before I put on the wheels. This is with the trenchers. Okay. Quick overview. Now I'll put on the new, or the stock. And this is after. I have to say, it doesn't really look too bad. It looks kinda nice. Really nice. I guess this is what my Slash would look like if I bought it stock or new. Pretty cool. So now I'll show you some pictures. So thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my videos. I try to do a video at least every week. This week I may do a bit more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.